Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do some first impressions, my favorite types of video. Blind buys, first impressions, that's what I love the most. Do you like blind buys? If you do, don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be filming more of these types of videos. First impressions. Okay, so I don't own anything from this brand. It's called Aqua Colonia 4711. Please let me know if you do. Do you enjoy it? Today I was at Marshall's and I saw many of them. Very good price. They're usually not very expensive, but at Marshall's, amazing deal. So I bought 5 of them, you guys, 5. I Googled it first, each and every one of them, and the reviews were, most of it was good, but some mixed ones as well. So we're gonna be judging them today, and hopefully we're gonna like all 5 of them. Okay. I pulled up some notes, and we're gonna start with this one. Lychee or lychee and white mint. I absolutely love the packaging, the artwork, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. This one I bought for $20 and it's 50 mils. Okay, let's open it up and let's see what we think. I know that this is eau de cologne. So they're not very long lasting as far as I understand, but you never know, some of them could be. So you have to obviously wear it to find out. So I'm gonna open the first one, we're gonna spray it, and I'm gonna share my thoughts, opinions, and we're gonna decide if we're gonna keep it or not. Give me a second, let me open it, and we're gonna continue. Okay, I opened it, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is kind of cool. I like the packaging. It reminds me of something. It looks vintage, right? It reminds me of something my grandma would have in her collection. So this is cool. I like it, and it's a very cute small bottle. So this is lychee and white mint. Whew, let's give it a try. Okay, it's interesting. It smells very sweet and a little bit old school. So it only has 2 notes, lychee and mint. So I'm gonna spray it on my arm. And let's wait a little. Let me know if you own any of these fragrances, please. And also, I love mint notes, so let's see if it's prominent in this one. It is interesting. I think it is a bit vintage smelling. I don't know. Let's leave it for a moment, let it sit and marinate, and then we're gonna come back to it. So first impressions, not sure about this one, but it can open a little bit later, right? It's nice. I like it. I don't love it. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one is going to be this one, white peach and coriander. This is the bigger bottle. This is 170 mils, and this was only $5 more. So let's open this one up and give it a sniff. So the notes are white peach, coriander, citruses, herbal notes, and green notes. Let me open it and I'll be right back. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a German perfume house, by the way, so they're all made in Germany. And this one comes with this little thingy that you can use it as a splash cologne, or you can actually spray it. I like the detail on the cap. See? It's at 4711. I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay. Let's use a sprayer. That's kind of cool. It's like an option, right, that you have. That's always awesome. Okay. So this one is white peach and coriander. Gosh, I hope it's not gonna be leaking. This one is very, very nice. I love this one. Wow, it's very nice, fresh, citrusy. I can smell definitely a lot of citruses in here. I can smell peach, yeah. But mainly citruses for me. And I love citruses. Wow, this is a win for me. This one is staying in my collection for sure. Wow, and I'm glad that it's a big bottle. It's the biggest bottle that I've got from this whole haul. Wow, this is so nice. This is perfect for summer. This is perfect for summer, and I cannot wait to wear it. But as far as I understand, this is not very long lasting. So basically it's so cheap that you can overspray the hell out of it, right? So it shouldn't be a problem. This one I love. So it's white peach and coriander. I'm not sure if I smell coriander, but mostly citruses and peach. But mostly citruses, okay? Beautiful. All right, moving on. So next one is gonna be green tea and bergamot. I love bergamot and I love green tea. So again, beautiful packaging, and the notes are basically bergamot and green tea. That's it. Let's open it up and give it a sniff. This is what the bottle looks like. Perfect. Alrighty then. This one I'm gonna spray on my right arm. That's a lot. It's okay. This is amazing. This is so good. Wow, this is so good. This is so nice and fresh. Wow, I smell bergamot. I love it. This is, wow, it almost smells like a little bit coconutty, but there is no coconut in the nose. There is only two notes, bergamot and green tea. This is perfection. This is summer perfection. This is so uplifting. This is so cheerful, so happy. Wow, this I love this even better than the peach one. Wow, this one now it's very warm. You know what I mean? It's very nice and cozy now. This one is amazing. Wow, it's so aromatic. I love aromatic fougere sort of fragrances, very fresh and bright and happy. That's it. This is the winner so far, okay? Wow, I'm so happy. I thought it was gonna be after the first one. Yeah, it's a bit vintage smelling, the first one. But the other two are amazing. So we still have two to go. So let's continue. And the next one, let's do pomegranate and eucalyptus. I have, like, I don't know what it smells like. I love eucalyptus. Pomegranate I love, but I'm not sure if what to expect from this scent basically. But I think this one and also the next one we're going to be talking about, they have the best rating on Fragrantica. So this one has pomegranate, violet leaf, eucalyptus, woody notes, and musk. Okay, a little bit more complicated than the previous ones. Okay, it doesn't mean that it's better. So here is the bottle, very cute, nice and raspberry sort of, well, it's like pomegranate color. So let me spray it and see what we think. Whoa! It does smell like pomegranate. That's amazing. This is very interesting. It's very different. This is so cool. It just put a smile on my face. This is... Wow, I don't really smell any eucalyptus. Mostly pomegranate so far, but... And some woody notes for sure. maybe some musk. This is nice. This is nice. I'm so pleasantly surprised by this brand. I know that it's very inexpensive, and you can actually buy it not only at like I bought mine at Marshall's, but you can actually buy them on like discount websites and like probably, I don't know, like Fragrance Buy or something. Wow, this is so nice. I like this one too. Okay, one more to go. And the last one is a little bit different. It's Aqua Colonia Intense. And look at the design of it, right? So it's from a different collection, I believe. And this one is called Awakening Woods of Scandinavia. Ooh! And this one has the best rating on Fragrantica. So the notes are bergamot, again my favorite, pink pepper, coriander, rose, osmanthus, jasmine, fir, albanum, and patchouli. This is interesting, you guys. This is the most complicated from all of them, I think. So let's open it and give it a sniff. This has the best rating, so I'm hopeful, but you never know. And also Scandinavia. I love Scandinavia. I used to live in Denmark for 1 year, so this is close to my heart. So I hope it's good. Look at the color of the juice. It's actually green. I cannot believe it. It looks so cool. So let's give it a sniff. I'm gonna spray it right here. This is unisex. It should be unisex. All of it is. All of them are unisex, but this one. Wow, this leans more masculine, I'm telling you right now. The previous ones are just fruity, citrusy. They're just nice and refreshing. This one is more masculine for sure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But anything is unisex, I believe. So wow, it's nice. It's nice, totally. But it's very different from. It's not very different. Yeah, it is kind of very different from the rest of them. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. So my thoughts on the whole the whole collection. So I love 4 out of 5, I would say. So it's amazing. The first one I like the least, the lychee or lychee and mint one. I wish there was more mint, but I can't smell mint at all. It just smells a bit vintage, not too much vintage, but I don't know. I'm not gonna wear this one. It's gonna be a gift for someone else. But the rest I'm gonna wear for sure. Wow, the white peach one is amazing. And this one, the coconut, I can smell coconut in it. Don't make fun of me. I totally smell coconut, but it's only bergamot and green tea. Absolutely amazing. Where is the pomegranate? Interesting. Yeah, so it's a success, but I can already tell you that it's very, very light. There probably will be no lasting power, so don't be afraid to overspray and reapply. And I'm gonna be enjoying still. So I think it's perfect after shower scent, right? All of them. So I do recommend. So if you see it at Marshall's or maybe some discount websites, don't forget to pick it up. But me personally, I love blind buying stuff, right? So it's first impressions, it's always fun. But I do not recommend blind buying anything. So please be careful how you spend your money on, what you spend your money on, right? So I never advise to blind buy anything. But these are good. These are good. These are all the first impressions, of course. So I'm gonna have to wear them to make my decision. Is very strong like, or is it love? First impressions, very, very good. I like them all. So there you go, there you have it. I'm gonna be filming more videos in the near future, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video please, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.